Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So I want to go over reference angles, how we find them, because you need it for Algebra 2, Pre-Calc, and definitely my class AP Calculus. So come along. Okay, so say I want you to find the cosine of 2 pi over 3. I know this is radians, but we think in degrees. This is how I teach my kids to do it. Pi is 180, okay? So you're going to say to yourself, 180 divided by 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. Because in AP Calc, we don't have a calculator. So now I go and I say, okay, look at my coordinate plane. This is 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360. We think in degrees in calculus. So we go over here and we say, okay, 120 is right here, which means my reference angle is 60, just subtract them two. And then we need to do all students take calculus, okay? So this is how we know which trig relationship are positive. All of them, sine only, tangent only, cosine only. Okay, so the cosine of 120 is going to be equal to the negative, because cosine's negative in the second quadrant, cosine of 60. So I'm going to say equals negative cosine of 60. Okay, however you memorize the cosine of 60, my students know, or they'll know very quickly, I like the special right triangles. So this is 30, 60. This is going to be 2, rad 3, and 1. So the cosine of 60 is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, and then there's going to be a negative. So it's going to be equal to negative 1/2. Watch one more time. Okay, so I want the 7 pi, sine of 7 pi over 6. Ready my trick? In your head, pi over 6, 180 divided by 6 is 30. 30 times 7 is 210. So this is equivalent to the sine of 210. So go over to your graph. You find what quadrant 210 is in. It's in this quadrant. You subtract these two to find your reference angle. That's 30. All students take calculus. Sine is negative in this quadrant. So the sine of 210 is going to be equal to negative sine of 30. You go to your right triangle. The sine of 30 is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So this is also going to be negative 1/2. Okay, so that's how I do reference angles. You do need to know this for AP Calculus. You're going to have to evaluate in a lot of units. And that's it.